Okay, so we need to create a login application. So far we've just done the basic installation of Laravel, so we just need to create a quick login application. So here we'll have a database called login_app2 database. You can call it any as you wish. Then you do on create. Okay, so far we have that database. Now we need to go to a code editor, open the folder. So we just open folder. Okay, HTTP docs, what we want to open is login app2. Okay, so after it's opened, we need just to do a few configuration. So here we have our configuration for MySQL. So we've created a database called login app2. We can just copy that and just put it at our database name. Okay, then here by default our username for the database is root. That comes with some by default, and by default also there's no password. Okay, do Control S and then at least username and password, that's okay. Then we have we go to database. We need to do some few configuration of the database. Depends on what version that you. So this database was created on 2014 10th, that is October. So we just need to shorten our length for our email here. So just put 50. So the string length should be 50. Copy, then Control S. Then go to the next one. That's for create password. Create users also the same thing. Paste. Okay, Control S. Okay. Now that is done, so we can close that. Now what we do next is we go to view integrated terminal. Okay, so far we have our command prompt still open, which is still doing our serve. Okay, so we are still okay with that. So we have here in the integrated terminal we can do PHP artisan make auth, so we're just making authentication. Okay, authentication has been successful, been generated. That means if we go to our resources, views, you'll see our folder has been created and other classes within. Okay, now we need to migrate our table, so tables into a database. So far our database has no tables, so where we can have our users and passwords in our tables. So what we can do is PHP artisan migrate. So we've seen it's we have done it successfully. Okay, now we can go to our file. Okay, then refresh. On our browser, refresh it. Okay, so we have now links on top over here. We have the login, and then we have the register. Okay, so right now first we need to do is we need to restart our server. So what you need to do is first close it. So it's just a Control C. Then we do PHP again, artisan. Okay, so that's okay. So to see our registration how it works, click on that. It says you have to have a name. Can have judo. Then we can have the password. Okay. So it tells you need 6 characters. So it has its own validation. So then click on register. Oh, it does not match. So login. Okay, so we have something like that. A very basic login using Laravel. It's fast to use and easy to use. Then you can have logout, and that's it.